What's the number one question I get asked in my lives? Can I move? So let's talk about where you need to start in figuring out whether you can move. So step one, do you have a court order? And if you have a court order and you don't know where it's at, you need to go to the district clerk in that county that it was rendered, and you need to go get your court order and understand it and keep it and make sure you have it available. It blows my mind how many people are like, hey, I have a court order, but I don't know what it says. You could even hire an attorney to walk through the order with you so you make sure you understand, because if you have what's called a geographic restriction and you move outside of it, it can spell big problems for you. So if you have an order, make sure you understand it. Make sure it says you have no geographic, or if you have a geographic, understand the area. If you don't have an order, let's say you haven't, gone through that process, it does not mean that you can move without consequence. This happens a lot where someone will just pick up and just say, all right, peace, I'm out, I'm going to the other side of the state. County that you are living in still retains jurisdiction. And so the other party will come and say, whoa, get your butt back here and let's have a hearing on this, because both parents have rights to the child, not just one. I hear all the time, oh, I'm the mom, I can do what I want. Okay, just whatever. But just because you don't have a geographic doesn't mean there won't be consequences. And one of those things is the court can say, hey, that was nice that you decided to move in the middle of the night to the other side of the state, but the geographic on this child is going to be in X county. And so it's very wise, before you pick up in the middle of the night or decide you're going to move or anything like that, that you talk to an attorney first, because there's different jurisdictional issues, especially if you move states. There's a lot of things that can come back to bite you if you are not careful. So I suggest talking to an attorney. Start with your order. If you don't have an order, go talk to an attorney to figure out what you can and can't do, and seek some advice on the best way to approach this.